You know, Detroit's the auto capital. I mean, you know, we've been building cars here and enjoying cars. It's just absolutely full of enthusiasts here, and so it's the place to be. The 32 Ford kind of represents the basis for hot rods. You know, a lot of guys started with the body. Many of them have Chevy engines, and I'm a Chevy guy, so it all kind of came together. This opportunity came up at an auction. The car was being sold for charity, and that's a very big focus for me. So I made sure we bought it. It's been a great part of the Lingenfelder car collection for a number of years. I've been in the Detroit area forever, and so, you know, as soon as I became a teenager, I mean, I was waiting in line to get my driver's license, and we started cruising streets like Woodward Avenue and Telegraph Road. Fortunately, we might have done just a little bit of street racing at the time, but we had a lot of fun, got to know a lot of people. The Woodward Dream Show is an amazing event. I had an absolute great time last year. The one thing about events like that for me is that I've been around it for so long, just getting a chance to talk to a whole bunch of additional enthusiasts is the best for me. If there are car guys around, I want to be right with them.